Welcome to another vlog with Maria. Sit back and relax. Enjoy. If this is not the best boutique hotel in Mauritius, guys, I don't know where you guys have been going to. But yeah, welcome to my luxury boutique hotel in Mauritius. Let's get into it. First, once you walk into the room, if you walk in from there, then you come straight up to this bathtub that is like in the middle of the room. Guys, this is luxury for a boutique hotel. And then you have this mirror situation happening. Trishan is videoing, by the way, so if you see her in the mirror, yeah, that's my videographer. So you've got two his and has sink. So if you're here for your honeymoon, this is a good one. Girls trip like us, this is good. And if you're just here on a solo trip, what else? And they give you this towels. You've got like face towels. You've got some shower cap, lots of like more like utilities for you to use. And then the best thing to tell you that they actually want you to use the bathtub, the bath salts for the bathtub. And we've got the foam bath as well, which we're definitely going to use. Yeah, you guys know I'm about soft life. And the so this is the bathroom proper. We've got the foot mat. You've got his and us and girls bathroom, which we're going to use for that bathtub. You've got toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and they've got a bar soap as well. And then you have this shower stand. I don't know if they were thinking about me because of my hair, anyways, but yeah, that's what you get. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna use that. And you have this window that brings like light into the room, and that's it for the bathroom. Okay, so the next thing we're going into is the toilet, which I know you don't want to see, but yeah, she's cute. Yeah, she's cute. That's the toilet. And the next thing that we've got here as well is the bidet. So you've got the bidet and you've got the toilet rolls as well. Yeah. And then now, come to my bedroom. This is heaven. The way this bed feels, I just can't explain. But yeah, this is our luxury bed, and you can already see I had a good night's sleep. That's why I'm talking like this. The linen, like everything about this bed is just so good. It's screaming luxury, just like what I like. And can we take a moment for the artwork? Yeah, yeah, very aesthetically pleasing. Come. Does this say anything to you with the gold hardware and the lighting, like literally? And we've got two bed tables. We've got one on the other side as well. Hold on, let me put on the light on this side as well so you guys can see. And see what that does to the whole of this room. Yeah, this is so cute. I need one of this in my house. Yeah, and that's it for the bed. Luxurious, cute. Yeah, and the next thing is this reading table. As you guys know, I'm a student and I still read. Content creator, nurse, student, everything. So this is good. Like, it's a workstation, and this light, guys, should I put it in my bag and take home? This is luxury. Like, this is so cute. I love this. You've got this chair as well, and you've also got this situation going on here, like a living area. I just love how intentional these guys were in planning this room. This is, by the way, their standard room. Like, standard room. Look at that artwork. Is what you see here is what you get in the hotel. It just feels like you're going into the beach. Oh, I love it. And this couch, this is actually a bed on its own because it feels so soft. You've got this chair as well, and that legs you outside. Oh, hold on, I need to show you guys this as well. This are window blinds. This window blinds. Oh my god, these are window blinds. And then you've got those lighting and you've got the AC as well. So this is a really good content area, and I'm gonna create a lot of content because the lighting here, the design, the props, everything just says content creator Maria, just come and create. I like to call this the living room TV area, where we've got like that is a mini bar. You've got sugar, all of these are complementaries with tea. You've got still water, you've got loads of like gin, tonic, what's that, vodka. These are not complimentary, these you have to pay for. But how cute is this tray? Like, everything about this hotel is just beautiful. Like, how cute is that? And we have this cute do not disturb sign that goes to the door. Whoever curated this room, this hotel, they're ready. And look at this. Look at this. This is my new camera, by the way, which I'm not using yet. But like, look at that situation going on. Then we've got a lot of storage space in these rooms. That's for the eyes, if we needed one. And loads and loads of storage spaces for the cups. Look at that. And that situation as well. And you've got that as well. Then in here we've got the fridge. The fridge as well comes with like drinks which are not complimentary, you have to pay for, and those are like wine and then beer as well. Yeah, that is our situation that is going on here, and our coffee making machine, because we both drink coffee. So if you're thinking of a luxury hotel in Mauritius, not for the price that everyone is putting, but something that you get your money's worth, Sea Diamond is the hotel for you. Come to the closet. Look at that artwork again. That's another artwork. And then we've got this full-size mirror, which I'm gonna use the hell out of. Like, if you're like me and you're very passionate about seeing yourself, like you love seeing yourself, then this is it. I'm very particular about full-length mirror. Like, if you're a hotel and you're listening to this, make sure you have a full-length mirror in your room before you invite me over. Yeah. So the next place as well is our full walk-in closet. Tell me, which boutique hotel has a walk-in closet? I've literally unpacked. This is my home. Like, look at that. Look, loads and loads of storage space, and then you've got the hair dryer that came with it. See, I've unpacked literally that. Then you've got the laundry. Look at that. Look at this laundry basket. They gave us an umbrella because it's a cyclone season and it rains. But this, oh my god, I should take it home. This as well, loads of space still, and we've got the safe and more storage space. I can't. Then we also have a weighing scale, because now I'm about my life. Look at that. I'm not going to climb because you guys cannot see my weight yet till I achieve my weight. But yeah, you've got a weighing scale. So if you're a gym girly, a weight loss girly like me, that's it. And we've also got this area where we've already used to put all our boxes. You've got another air conditioner. That's the second air conditioner. And which hotel, boutique hotel, gives you an ironing board and an iron without having to pay for it? Sea Diamond Hotel. Yeah, that's it. So, okay, guys, so that's it for our luxury bedroom tour in Mauritius. I'm staying at Sea Diamond Boutique Luxury Hotel, and if you're in Mauritius, I highly recommend. If you're a hotel and you're seeing this and you want me to see what your hotel is giving, I'm open for collaborations. And if you're someone who wants to travel, don't forget, guys, I'm a travel agent and I book hotels as well. So come to me. I'm your plug for the best luxury hotels at affordable prices. Bye bye.